Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the fusing rollers on the fuser unit on Samsung 2875 model. First, release these cables. We have to take out the two black caps from the both sides. Just push slightly here and it will come out. And from the other side. Now, first we have to disconnect these connectors from the heating element. Push down and pull out. Now unscrew the two screws on the both sides of the heating element. Turn the fusing unit around, unscrew these two screws. And lift it up slowly. That's it. Take out the heating element. Rotate these bushings to take out this fusing element. And this is the roller I have to replace. To remove this plastic cover, just pull up this hook and push to the left. And now it's easy to remove this pressure roller. Look how bad is it. This causes paper jamming in the printer, so I have for sure to replace it. So you have to obtain a new roller and in a reverse order stack all together and you will have a new fusing unit. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.